I'll show you how I block out my eyebrows. Make sure the area is nice and clean. I use Elmer's Disappearing Purple Glue. I rub a nice thick layer into my brows. I take a spoolie and brush your hairs up and press flat against your skin. I use a little spatula or even my tweezers to really press over it, going with a wet cotton pad or a wet earbud to clean up the edges, because the thinner the edges, the better it will look underneath the makeup. Let that dry. Go on with the second layer. You want to wet your glue. Put your second layer on in the direction that you laid the hairs. I repeat the layering and flattering about 5 times to let it dry in between each. Pack on the translucent powder. Go on top with concealer, blend it all out, set that with powder, and that's it. Now you can draw on top of them or leave it blocked out. Thumbnail.